We are Mark and Grace Sice with Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers. What are we talking about today, Mark?
We're going to talk about controlled business. Now, in the insurance world, the term controlled business is like a no-no. And that's kind of where you're just keeping business within the family or within a close network. They don't like that. But in what we do, we can actually take advantage of this concept of kind of controlling business, meaning I'm going to keep it within a certain network of people, or I'm going to create a network, connect some dots, and that will ultimately benefit me as well as other people. So you have some examples of what I'm talking about?
Yeah, so for example, I was in a closing. It was actually a friend of mine, and she was purchasing a home. Now, the entire closing, she griped and complained about the title company. Now, being her friend, I was able to say, why did you choose this title company? Here's a title company for you to use and for your clients to use, me knowing well that that specific title company specifically uses Mark and I.
It's one of our preferred. Yep.
Yes. That's one example, but Mark has an example if, say, you're not friends with the purchase, the person.
Yeah, if they don't even like you, but you hear them grumbling about the title company, this realtor is probably never going to call on you or refer you, but you just hear that they don't like whatever the title company is. You have one that you've already established a relationship. Well, make the connection, and it doesn't have to be obvious. It can be like, well, geez, I know some realtors that love this title company over here. Maybe you should give them a shot. Next thing you know, all her closings, you're going to be the signing agent that is assigned. It's important to have an understanding of how these transactions work, and I probably should touch on that real quick. So here's how this works. You have a realtor, a lender or mortgage broker, and a title company. These three, now the lender and the real estate agent either or can hire a title company to conduct their transaction. And then the title company in turn hires you. Now, either one of those you could jump the list, meaning the mortgage broker could call the title company and say, hey, listen, you got to hire this notary, they're my guy. It's good to create those relationships. Or the real estate agent, because they're hiring. It doesn't happen that often. But more than likely what's going to happen is you're going to have a title company that uses you, they know you do good work, and they're going to use you on all the closings in your area. And what you do is if you expand their network in your area by creating those connections, it will just come back to benefit you.
And that's why we stress making those connections with the title companies, why we've given you a vast list of title companies to connect with. Give them your business card, do the best work that you can, do a follow-up email just so
Absolutely.
that you can make a connection with them.
The fortune is in the follow-up. A follow-up email, a friendly reply, a friendly thank you. Those will compound. That will come back with compound interest, and you will end up with a large network of consistently repeatable business.
And that is controlled business.
All right.